Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be working on the CLS. We're going to be doing a couple minor things here and there, such as the door handle, steering wheel, and the gear shift knob. But bulk of this is going to be how do we replace this with the 3-spoke steering wheel, and is it plug and play? Alright, since that clearly doesn't work, there we go, nice and loud. All right, let's get this thing into that garage. All right, so here are the parts laid out on the table. We have our 3-spoke steering wheel. Again, this one, I don't know if it'll be plug and play, given that these connectors are not the same as what's on the OEM style steering wheel. So play with that at the end, but here is our shift knob. Should be easy to do. Our door handles, let's get to it. So I've been playing around with this for about a minute now. Now, if the gear shifter is sitting like this, we just twist it to the right and then pick it up. Mind you, this is a 2-piece thing. This is 2 pieces. We'll put it into practice. All right, so I got my tool. Let's go ahead and get inside here and just perfect, just like that. Put this thing in neutral. There we go. And then the rest should just come up like this. There we go. So then we twist this out. There we go. And let's go to the table. So now that we have our shifter out, I'm just gonna swap these two. Pop out. Knock this one in, just like that. Okay, perfect. All dialed in. Okay, so we're gonna finish the rest of this inside the car. So you have your 2 pieces here. These go in the bottom of the shift knob. So I'm gonna go ahead, combine these 2 pieces, and then we're gonna put these in down like that. Grab our boot, place it in like this. Shift knob in like that, and then push it in until you hear the click. Just hit it really hard like that. Got it in, and now this piece will just twist on, and that is it. That is all that needed to be done. Snap it in, and we are ready to go. Now it's all in perfectly nice and ready to go. Looks cool. Looks way cooler than the previous one. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to put this. So I went ahead and already started working on getting this thing out. Very easy. You gotta aim your screwdriver up there, use a light. There should be a screw over there. That should be this. Don't undo it all the way, just do it enough to where you can pull out the lock. With the lock out, I went ahead and took the cover off like I did over here. The cover goes on pretty easily. Now we gotta do the door handle. I'm gonna do the door handle first because this is a little bit tedious. So the door handle, oh, and that is it. Problem. And then and that's in. Now it's in. Okay. Click and perfect. All right. All right. So now that that is all done, it works perfectly. The lock is in. Everything is aligned nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the other door handles. If you need a reference into that, go ahead and check out the Black Cards video. All right. So it's the next day. This bolt has gone through some crazy shit. Anyway, let's go ahead and try it out. It's off of the rack. Oh, what the heck? It's okay. That's weird. Okay, I guess it's working now. There we go. All right, wheel is coming out. All right, so we just got the wheel off. Honestly, I thought I had to like aggressively break this bolt off, but no, shockingly, this bolt came out pretty easily. It's really damaged, but you know what? That's okay. I have another one. And we're gonna go ahead and see if the other steering wheel fits. It should fit, technically speaking, it should fit. However, the problem with the other steering wheel is because it's newer, I don't know if it'll be plug and play. All right, so the new wheel is in. Again, I don't know if these buttons will be plug and play. I was able to just bring that out. So let me go get the airbag. All right, so going based off of the layout, the shape, it's exactly the same as the older style steering wheel. So I know that'll be plug and play. Now my question is, are the buttons gonna work? Specifically the steering wheel buttons. I don't really care about the pedal shifters. I mean, like, they're cool and all. But if these all work out perfectly, then I might just put the steering wheel inside the SL and then grab the steering wheel inside the SL and put it in here. I never ever use my pedal shifters even when I drive the SL. It's fun and all, but it is just like something I'd never use because my car's always driven in automatic. All right, so good news. It works. All the buttons work. Let's see. Nice. Okay. Well, I never use those buttons anyway. Perfect. So the buttons work. That's great. Now on to the next step. All right, guys. So crazy. The pedal shifters actually work. They actually work. That's insane. Awesome. All right, perfect. That's one less thing we got to worry about. Now let's go ahead and park up the car. And yeah. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Doing the door handles, doing this gear shifter, doing the steering wheel, that all literally was so minor, but it just took the longest time for some odd reason. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to fix the exhaust. There are a couple bad welds, and then not just that, the catalytic converter is also pretty messed up with the whole JB weld thing. So we're going to go ahead and knock out all the JB weld, fix up the welds on that, make it nice and neat. Anyway, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.